Hello viewers, welcome back to Renka Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making a skin protective oil. You can also use this oil to protect the roots of your hair. For today's oil, we are going to be making use of rosemary leaves. This is a fresh rosemary leaves, and we also have olive oil. Rosemary extract has an anti-inflammatory properties which helps to reduce swollen skin. It also helps to heal burns and soothe the skin. Olive oil has an antioxidant that prevents premature aging. I'm going to be adding olive oil to it. After I must have added the olive oil, I'm going to be covering the lid and then set it aside for 5 good days. It is now 5 days and we are going to be making use of steaming method. The oil is gradually getting steamed up. Kindly sieve the oil after about 20 minutes steaming. This oil can be added to your daily body cream. For those who have dry skin, this oil is also good for you. It will help to protect your skin from getting frequently dried. Kindly store the oil in an airtight container, which will help to preserve it. You don't actually need any preservative to keep this oil for long. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.